Donkashane, darling Donkashane. This doesn't even work. So, hello everybody, how are you doing today? Today, I'm going to teach you 2 words. Your 2 new words for today are to dye and to bleach. To dye spelled D-Y-E, even though it's pronounced the same as die like death, that's D-I-E. Dye means something completely different. No one's dying. It means to add color to something, usually with some kind of liquid that has the coloring in it. So you can dye like a fabric, like a shirt. You can dye your hair. You can dye a lot of things. And then turning it around to bleach. To bleach means you are going to take something with color and take it out with the magic of hydrogen peroxide. Sounds good? All right. So today, for the benefit of your education, I am going to bleach my hair. And it's going to look fabulous. I'm going to give you blonde ambition, honey. All right? Are you ready for our transformation? Let's get to it. To get things started today, we are going to take the color lightener, in this case, well, a color charm, and we are going to add a developer to it. I'm doing this at home, and I've done it a bunch before, so it's no problem for me. But if you've never done it before, maybe you want to go to a salon, or maybe you're cheap like me and just want to do it yourself. Let's try it out. Here we have 2 scoops of the color charm in a bowl, and I am going to put the exact same amount, a 1-to-1 ratio of the Salon Care developer. So this is 30 developer. I don't know what works with your hair. I'd ask a professional, but I'm gonna try this. Wow, look at it. So I've got the bleach covering all of my hair, and I just gotta wait 45 minutes. It gets itchy from time to time, so I take the back of the application brush and just itch it, or maybe with a comb. I'm wearing a ratty old towel because bleach will mess up anything you get it on. And I just got to sit back and wait now. I got some gummy worms to snack on. Hey there, guys. So the first part of the bleaching is done. And as you can see, my hair has lifted to a hideous shade of cat pee yellow. Ugh. But fear not. For now, we are going to adjust the color with 1 part toner and 2 parts 20 volume developer. All right? Here I am with the toner in my hair. It has a little purplish hue to it. Take a look. And although purple would be pretty hot, I think this is just what it does to adjust the color in my hair, removing that orangey, nasty cat pee color and replacing it with a fabulous pale blonde. I should look Hollywood ready in just a moment. Woo! What's up? That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm big, I'm blonde, and I'm beautiful and ready to rock the house. What do you think? I think it turned out good with the T10 Pale Blonde toner. It took all that orangey color out and looks very stylish and neat. To bring things back to the beginning, we are going to say the verbs to dye and to bleach. And if you want to put it in the past tense, you can say dyed and bleached. So for example, she dyed her hair purple. I bleached my hair blonde. That's right. I'm feeling my blonde ambition, so I'm going to take off now. I will talk to you people next time, and have a great weekend. Take it easy and stay cool. Charles out.